again, Internet, and today we're going to do a little bit of work on the Fat Tire bike. The brakes on this bike happen to be on the right hand side is the front brake and on the left is the back brake. Now that's actually right up my alley because I'm used to motorcycles. I rode more of them than bicycles, but I'm just not real crazy about it because every other bike that I get on is the opposite. So we're going to go ahead and change that out. Honestly, I think that's going to be like a walk in the park to go ahead and trade it out. So let's see what we get into. First thing we're going to do is we're just going to loosen up the brake adjustment here. I'm thinking this cable wrap is going to pop right out, and it looks like it is. So this is just going to be a matter of unwrapping this and switching it, if I'm not mistaken. I will tell you, the cable management from Ecotric is, I mean, fantastic. They have really done a great job on that. Okay, after a little change of battery, we've taken this one out. This is the front brake. Now, you don't take it out underneath like you do a motorcycle. You actually take it out from inside the lever. And that is now going to become the back brake over here. Just that barrel drops in there. Simple enough. And then this one here. Well, that was about as easy as it gets. The only thing we have left to do now is wrap the cables back up. So let's go ahead and get to wrapping. So we're going to see about wrapping it up down here, get everything tied back together here. One more wrap maybe, and then come around here. And it's just a matter of finishing out this wrap. Okay, we'll try out the back brake first. And it slid the whole way on grass. And we'll try out the front brake. And I could lock it up and pop the front end, or have the back end jump up. So we'll just go ahead and give it one more test with both of them coming down the hill. We'll do it on gravel here. And we're gonna hit one more test like that because I want to see where I started and where I end. Right at the end of my pump house, we'll go ahead and start applying the brakes. While I'm coming up here, I gotta tell you, I really like this bike. I can see the appeal of the Fat Tire bikes. It's mechanical disc brakes, yeah. It's heavy. That's kind of a tough one to deal with. And it's a hub drive, and I much prefer a mid drive. But I gotta tell you, man, this thing is a lot of fun to ride. A lot of fun to ride. So, all right, let's see what we get here. We're at maybe 18 feet, something in that framework. And we were moving along there pretty quick too. So I would say brakes are good. They'll both lock up on you. You ain't gonna get much better than that. I guess you technically could say you can get a better feel, but honestly, that's about as good as it gets. So I guess with that being said, internet, till next time, stay safe, God bless, and keep them wheels rolling. Or go ahead and get them to stop rolling if you're kind of following this video. Hey, either way, we're out.